How to reset your Samsung Galaxy A15 using phone settings. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a journal management. Again scroll down. Tap reset. Now scroll down. Here at the end you can see factory data reset. Reset your phone to factory default setting, including erase all data, including files, downloaded apps. Tap on it. Now you can see the list of all data erased from your phone, including Google account, system app data, download apps, music, pictures. Also see your sign in account that will also remove. Tap on a reset. Draw your pattern. Now when you tap on delete all, it will remove all your phone's data, also including SD card data. So make sure backup your important data before factory reset or reset your Samsung Galaxy A15 or other Samsung device. When you tap on a delete all, it will delete all the data. That's it. If you like it, share it.